If you're trying to log in to Bluehost CPanel or access your Bluehost WebMail account, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through both steps clearly, so whether you need your hosting control panel or your email inbox, you can get there fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's log into Bluehost CPanel, also called the control panel. Start by signing in to your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Hosting. This is where Bluehost keeps your hosting tools and account management options. After you click Hosting, you should see a CPanel button. Go ahead and click that button. Bluehost will open CPanel in a new tab automatically, so you may see a loading screen for a moment before the control panel appears. Once it opens, you'll be inside CPanel, where you can manage files, domains, databases, email settings, and other hosting features. Now let's move on to Bluehost WebMail. If you want to check your business email or personal domain email, you can do that right from Bluehost as well. Start by logging in to your Bluehost account again if you're not already signed in. Then, from the left-hand menu, click Email. Inside the email section, look for the CPanel email area and open it. From there, click Email Accounts. This will show you a list of the email addresses connected to your Bluehost hosting plan. Find the email address you want to access and then click Check Email next to it. After that, Bluehost will take you to your webmail inbox. In most cases, it will open in Roundcube by default, which is one of the most common webmail interfaces. From there, you can read messages, send replies, and manage your inbox directly in the browser without needing a separate app. So just to recap, if you need CPanel, go to Hosting and click CPanel. If you need webmail, go to Email, open CPanel email, choose Email Accounts, and click Check Email. It's a simple process once you know where everything is located. If this walkthrough saved you time, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Bluehost and WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.